So pricing your products on Etsy is extremely important because you want to make sure that after you get your product sold, you actually get a decent enough profit in order for you to truly run your business. And when we think about selling things for the Christmas season, one of the best profit products you can sell are these Christmas ornaments. However, if you are not pricing them the proper way, you could lose out on a lot of major profit. So in today's video, I want to walk you through several pricing strategies we see on Etsy being done right now, and which one I believe is the best method for you to earn the most amount of profit. I want to share this all with you coming up next. So when we're talking about pricing our products, there are three pricing strategies I believe can do extremely well with us selling these physical products online with Etsy. Number one, it is to have the lowest price. Now, the lowest price product doesn't always mean it's going to be the high selling product. And I know that if you're selling anything on Etsy, you're going to see that even with physical products, it is a very low price for some of these competitors. However, I believe there is a strategy for you to outbeat these competitors, even with them having the low price. Number two, I believe the second strategy is offering free shipping. We have seen products that are best sellers doing this strategy as well. And the third strategy is truly combining strategy 1 and 2 together by having a low display price, but also going down a little bit further and increasing the shipping cost of your product, therefore helping you actually earn a little bit more than the average person. Now, specifically today for this video, we're looking at these Christmas ornaments. Again, I think this is a great example of how to make a lot of profit with a small product. And I'll share with you these three pricing strategies so you can see the outcome of the profits you can earn as a result. All right, so how do you find a price point to set your items for to earn a decent profit? And I want to walk you through how to do this from start to finish. And more specifically, we're going to focus on today these ornaments for the Christmas season that I think will do extremely well. And when we're talking about selling a print-on-demand product, not only do we need to make sure that there's actually shops that are gaining sales, but also learn what is the potential profit I can gain from selling this type of product. And the first place, obviously, we want to start here is to make sure that Printify sells these type of products. Now, Printify is my main source to sell all of my print-on-demand products. And the reason for that is they have a lot of different things you can sell, like we're talking about today, these ornaments. Now, the ornaments that we're going to focus on selling are these ceramic ornaments here on the first page. And we can see that the price for this product is $6.03, or at least it starts there. And if you utilize Printify Premium, you get this at a major discount at $4.44. I do have a link in my description box below if you want to get 30 days free utilizing Printify Premium. Therefore, you get this discount for these products. Again, if you want to check that out, I'll make sure to leave that link down below. Now, I like to open up these products because not only will I see the different print-on-demand providers, if they have one for this item here is only one provider, but I like to go in a little bit further because the price that we saw back here is not the overall price, right? This is the price of the product, but if I go in a little bit further here, we can go down all the way to the bottom and see some information regarding this product. Again, the location, the price of the product, and here's where we want to spend our time also, the shipping cost. This is very important because this is what is going to cost us to get our product out to our customer. So we need to make sure that whatever price point we have is higher than our production costs and shipping costs so that we can earn a profit in return. So we will simply add these numbers here to get a total price for this product. Now, again, that's just utilizing the standard price here, but of course you get this at a lower discount if you utilize Printify Premium, save about almost $2. But right now, we just stick with the standard price. So the total cost of this product to get it out to our customers is $11.92. Now, the second thing I like to do is jump on Etsy and see, okay, what are these top selling shops selling this product for, and if they are making any sales. So I like to just plug in very quickly here my topic, which is the Christmas ornaments. I can see that there are a ton of different products that are selling well, and I know they're selling well because they have this popular now along with these bestseller badges, and this is going to increase more and more as we get closer to the Christmas time, obviously, with these type of ornaments. What I like to do here is see if these products are truly gaining sales, and we can see that again just based upon these badges here. We can go a little bit further and utilize some tools to determine how well a shop is doing, but if we're able to see all of these type of badges here, we know these products are doing well. So That has confirmed two things for us. We know that Printify sell this product, so we know we can sell this to our customers. Number two, this product is selling on Etsy, and it's even selling well, even months away from the peak season. So we know there is definitely sales potential. We want to make sure that we find the actual price point for these products and see what are people selling these for, because again, these are the competitors that we have to compete with. I believe that the best product will sell despite the price, but we still want to look and see what is the average price of these products being sold. One thing to be mindful of when we are trying to gauge the price competitive market is that the price that is visible is not always the price that is realistic. And what I mean by that is that sometimes if you open up these products here, you will see that they have a low display price, meaning that this is not the actual price for the product. You will find that some of these products may have a low display price because one, they're selling a product not necessarily visible in the listing itself. And sometimes they have a low display price because they're not showcasing the entire cost of the shipping and the total price. So just be mindful of that. Don't be discouraged if you see prices like $9 or $8. As we can see here, this is a wide range of price. So we know we can sell our products at a very great margin here and still gain a lot of sales. So with that being said, let's go in a little bit further with some of these listings here just to see what are they doing with their overall price. How much are they charging for shipping? Are they doing free shipping? What is the data in regards to sales? Let's jump in here and see what we can gain just from looking at these products alone. All right, so we have several products up and all at 3 major price points, but I want you to see how these products have done over the length of this listing here. Now, the first product, as we can see here, this one obviously has red on the right-hand side, which is always great to see. So we know this is getting interaction, and we know this is going to do well as time moves forward. This here is selling for $9.50. One of the main things I look for is, number one, is this product doing well? If you watched any of my videos, I oftentimes tell you that if you're preparing for seasons like we're doing now, creating Christmas ornaments, you cannot expect every single product to have a bestseller because we're so far out from the season. Like this one here, it does not have a bestsellers badge, and many would say that this is not a product worth targeting. However, if I scroll down to the bottom, I know this product has done well in the season because for this individual listing alone, it has received 358 reviews. That means it sold at least 358 times, and in my summation, it takes between 5 to 7 purchases for one review to be left. So you can imagine the amount of sales this product has received with the number of reviews. So that has proven that this product is doing extremely well, and I believe will continue to do well the closer we get to our peak season for this product. This has great reviews, so this product is doing well. But I do want to see what they're charging for their price. So I know they're charging $9.50 for this price, but again, that's not the entire price. We can go down and see that this product is actually charging $4.21 for shipping. So remember, the number that we need to exceed is $11.92. Now, to be short, some people are printing these out from home, so they may be able to get a lower price than what our Printify product is. And again, that's one of the reasons why I encourage you to use Printify Premium if your business is at that level in order to get a major discount. But when we add these numbers together, the shipping as well as the price of the product, they are charging a total price of $13.71. Now, if we're selling our products for that price point, then we're not going to get too much profit. And when you're looking at just one product itself, you might get discouraged and say, hey, this product is selling lower than what I can gain for a profit, therefore there's no need to sell this item. But that's not the way you do market research when you're pricing your products. You need to look at multiple listings to prove if they're selling and at what price point. So this product, yes, is selling for $13.71. Again, we can give them their kudos because they're probably doing this from home or have a local provider for them. Now, there is a specific strategy when you are trying to have the lowest price point, and that is more so when you are launching your products. And the reason why you want to have a low price when you are launching your products is so that you can get those initial clicks and those initial sales, which is going to help you rank further on the first page with Etsy. This is not a method to earn the most profit. However, it is the method to get your product ranked so that your product can be visible to many shoppers. And then from there, you can increase the price back to your normal rate once you know you have solidified that first page spot. So again, having your product at the lowest cost is effective if you are trying to quickly rank. And many times you might even lose out on maybe $1 or $2 per product. It all depends on how aggressive you want to be in your launching strategy. But I would not encourage anyone to keep your price at the lowest point, because the overall goal here obviously is to earn profit. However, this is not the only product that is doing well. Here is another product at a different price point that's doing extremely well, just like what we talked about. Nonetheless, we see this product here is a bestseller. That means it made multiple sales in the last 6 months. I see the red in the right-hand side, which we always want to see. This product right now doesn't necessarily have individual reviews, which shows this product just has listed. So it's going to gain reviews as time go on. But this is interacting well, it's getting sales. And so we know this product is a great example of a model product we ought to follow, as well as a price point. Now, here's the difference with this price point here. This is starting off at $24.47. And I like to see what they're charging for shipping. We can see here it is free shipping. But again, the price point that we need to meet for our print-on-demand products is $11.92. This one here is $24.47. Now, to get a better understanding at what we could gain as a profit, I'd like to head over to Allura and to utilize their Etsy calculator just to see in real time what the profit could be if we sell our item at this price point. So we know they're selling this for $24, and we know from Printify's side, it is going to cost us $11.92. Again, just for right now, printing on one side. And I like the calculator because it is going to take into account the cost of the product, the listing fee, the transaction fee, all those little fees that we get from Etsy. Is going to take account all of those things here. And when I hit calculate, we can see the entire breakdown of the cost, the listing fee, transaction fee, processing time. And we see at the bottom what is our profit margin. And we see this is a 40% profit margin, which is great because the standard is about 25 to 30%. And we know with every product sold at this price point, we will get about $9.78. Now, I think that is fantastic because number one, that is a great profit margin, 40%, way above the average. But number two, that profit margin gives us some opportunity to run Etsy ads where we can actually leverage our products even further, and we have margin in our profit scale to be able to do that. So that is $9.78 every time a product is being sold. That is much more than what we've seen with this initial product here. That's why I like to look at several top listings and top shops to see what have they done and what is selling. Again, the best product will always sell despite the price. This here is a clear example of that, $24.47 as opposed to this product here, $9.50 plus the $4 shipping. And here's one selling for $14.98. Again, bestseller here, red on the right hand side. Again, this is selling far much higher than this one here. But when I look at this product here, I know this is sold well without utilizing any tools, because if I scroll down to the bottom, this has an individual review count of 516 reviews. Again, if it takes between 5 to 7 purchases for one review to be left, you can do the math here and just think about how many times this has sold. Now, again, this here is bringing into a new price point. We can go down a little bit further to see if they're charging for shipping. And indeed they are charging $4.99 for shipping. So even if we were to drop our price and really spread out our price with the price of the product and the shipping price, this gives us an opportunity to have what I call a low display price. Right, this one here showcased the entire price of the product in shipping, because they say free shipping, but they're really charging for shipping. They put all of the price up front with the product, and they're doing pretty well. This person here is utilizing what I call the spread method, where they have the price shown in the listing fee of the product itself, but the other price of the product is visible here in the shipping cost, which is not necessarily visible in the listing price. Now, if we add $14.98 to the $4.99 shipping, and this product here is sold for $19.97. Now, again, we can do the same type of method and keep this price point here, $24.47, just by spreading out that price a little bit more. Again, they're targeting $19.97. We can target $24.47 and make our product look more appealing by spreading out our numbers. Again, I think we can follow the same strategy here, but utilize this price point in numbers to get the high profit margin. I can set the selling price for $19.97. We know from Printify side is going to charge us $11.92. When I hit calculate, it's going to break down the entire processing fees here, and we're still ending here with a $5.70 profit margin. Now again, that might be low to you, but we're talking about a peak season where hundreds of thousands of people are coming to purchase these products here. And if you see that this item itself has received 560 reviews, we can do the basic math here and say if they are gaining $5.70 in profit, we can be extremely conservative and just times this by the number of reviews, and this product alone has received about $3,000 in sales. And even if we double that number to be more realistic, again higher than the review count, this has received about $6,000 in sales just for one listing. And when I go to this shop that is selling this product here, they have sold over 65,000 products and they only have 48 listings. So there's a lot here that we can learn from, gravitate to, and start incorporating these type of products into our shop. So as you can see, there's a huge opportunity for you to scale your products properly in order to get the highest level of profit. Now, if you're new to anything print on demand or selling on Etsy and you're not sure how to get started, then check out my free Etsy starter course below. It is my step-by-step guide for you to start your Etsy shop and list your first product to be seen and sold on Etsy. If you want access to that free course, check out my link down below and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make income online with Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.